In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 best crypto you should buy in 2021. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. Number 5, Tether, USDT. Tether, commonly abbreviated as USDT, is a cryptocurrency whose tokens are issued by Tether Limited, which is controlled by Bitfinex's owners. Tether is referred to as a stablecoin since it was created with the intention of always being worth $1, with $1 in reserves for each Tether released. Owners of Tethers, according to Tether Limited, have no contractual rights, other legal claims, or guarantee that their Tethers will or can be redeemed or exchanged for dollars. Tether Limited's lawyer claimed on April 30, 2019, that each Tether was backed by 74 cents in cash and financial equivalents. Tether produced a report in May 2021 stating that only 2.9% of Tether was backed by cash, with commercial paper accounting for over 65%. Tether Limited previously fraudulently claimed that each token was backed by $1, but on March 14, 2019 modified the backing to include loans to affiliate entities, according to the New York Attorney General. The New York Attorney General filed a lawsuit against Bitfinex for utilizing Tether funds to cover up $850 million in cash missing since mid-2018-11-12, which determined that Bitfinex, the Bitfinex and Tether operator, lied about the Tether's backing and the flow of hundreds of millions of dollars between the two firms in order to hide Bitfinex's losses. Tether's statements that its virtual currency was fully backed by US dollars at all times was a falsehood, according to the New York Attorney General. Because of the company's purported role in manipulating the price of Bitcoin, Tether Limited and the Tether cryptocurrency are divisive. An ambiguous relationship with Bitfinex, as well as the company's failure to deliver a promised audit demonstrating appropriate reserves backing the Tether token. Tether outperformed Bitcoin in terms of daily and monthly trading volume in 2019, having the largest daily and monthly trading volume of any cryptocurrency on the market. There are roughly 63.2 billion USDT tokens in circulation as of August 2021. Tether is a stable coin, which means it is backed by fiat currencies such as the US dollar and the euro and has a value that is theoretically equal to one of those denominations. Tether's value is intended to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, which is why it's appreciated by investors who are frightened of other coins' excessive volatility. Number 4, Cardano, ADA. An initial coin offering, ICO, was used to fund Cardano. The currency had a market valuation of $600 million when it first launched. It had a market valuation of $10 billion by the end of 2017, and briefly hit $33 billion in 2018 before reverting to $10 billion due to a general tightening of the crypto market. According to Mashable, Cardano claims to solve existing issues in the crypto market, such as Bitcoin's slowness and inflexibility, and Ethereum's lack of security and scalability. For blockchain research, 𝐬𝐤 has cooperated with universities. In 2017, 𝐬𝐤 aided in the establishment of the Blockchain Technology Laboratory at the University of Edinburgh. In 2020, 𝐬𝐤 gave the University of Wyoming $500,000 in aid to assist the development of blockchain technology. Georgia's Ministry of Education and the Free University of Tbilisi signed a memorandum of agreement in 2019 to employ Cardano and Atala to construct a credential verification system for Georgia. New Balance, a footwear company, unveiled a test program on the Cardano blockchain in 2019 to track the authenticity of their newest basketball sneaker. In 2018, 𝐬𝐤 established a cooperation with the Ethiopian government to implement their technology across the country in a range of businesses. 𝐬𝐤 and the Ethiopian Ministry of Education announced plans to implement a Cardano-based identity and record-keeping system for the country's 5 million students in April 2021. Cardano is renowned for being one of the first crypto projects that use proof-of-stake validation. By removing the competitive, problem-solving part of transaction verification found in platforms like Bitcoin, this solution reduces transaction time, energy consumption, and environmental effect. Cardano functions similarly to Ethereum in that it uses ADA, its native coin, to enable smart contracts and decentralized apps. In comparison to other prominent crypto coins, Cardano's ADA token has grown slowly. The price of ADA in 2017 was 2 cents. Its current price is $2.11 as of August 2021. This represents a rise of more than 10,000%. Number 3, Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin, BNB, is a cryptocurrency that may be used on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange to trade and pay fees. As of January 2018, The Binance Exchange was the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, conducting over 1.4 million transactions every second. As an incentive, Binance Coin users enjoy a reduction on transaction costs on the Binance Exchange. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others, can be exchanged or traded for BNB. Binance Coin was launched in July 2017 and worked with the ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain before becoming the native currency of Binance's own blockchain, the Binance Chain. Binance Coin's applications. The Binance Coin, like other developing cryptocurrencies, has a variety of applications outside of the Binance Exchange, including trading. Binance Coin can be traded for other cryptocurrencies on a variety of exchanges, according to the exchange's limits. Binance Exchange transaction fees. BNB can be used to pay for Binance Exchange transactions, and users receive a discount for doing so. Payments by credit card. On Crypto.com, BNB can be used to pay for crypto credit card bills. Payment processing. Merchants can accept BNB as a form of payment, giving customers more options in terms of payment methods. Booking travel arrangements. On certain websites, BNB can be used to book hotels and flights. BNB is used for a variety of purposes in the entertainment industry, from paying for virtual gifts to purchasing lottery tickets. Binance Coin may be used to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets on a variety of platforms. Loans and transfers. On some sites, BNB can be used as collateral for loans. There are also apps that allow users to use Binance Coin to split expenses and pay friends and relatives. Initial coin offering, ICO, of Binance Coin. Binance Coin was created in July 2017 with an initial coin offering, ICO. BNB tokens were dispersed among various participants, including angel investors and the Binance founding team, as part of the 𝐦𝐤𝐤. Here's a quick rundown of how BNB tokens were distributed at first. 40% of the founding team, 80 million BNB. 10% for angel investors, 20 million BNB. 50% off in the public auction, 100 million BNB. During the 𝐦𝐤𝐤, all 100 million BNB tokens available for public sale were sold for 15 cents each. Binance raised a total of $15 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum as a result. 35% of the $15 million raised was utilized to upgrade the Binance platform and exchange system. 50% was used for Binance branding, marketing, and education of new innovators, and the remaining 15% was set aside as a reserve in case of any emergencies or unusual circumstances. Number 2, Ethereum, ETH. Blockchain technology is being utilized to develop applications that go beyond just facilitating the use of a digital currency. Ethereum is the largest and most well-known open-ended decentralized software platform, having been launched in July 2015. Ethereum allows smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, to be developed and run without the need for any downtime, fraud, control, or third-party interference. Ethereum includes a programming language that runs on a blockchain, allowing developers to create and execute distributed applications. Ethereum has a wide range of potential applications, all of which are fueled by its native cryptographic token, Ether, commonly abbreviated as ETH. Ethereum had a pre-sale for Ether in 2014, which was met with a huge reaction. Ether is used by developers to construct and operate apps on the Ethereum platform, similar to how gasoline is used to run commands on a car. Ether is primarily used for two purposes. It is traded as a digital currency on exchanges in the same way that other cryptocurrencies are, and it is utilized to operate apps on the Ethereum network. People all throughout the world use ETH to make payments, as a store of wealth, or as collateral, according to Ethereum. Ethereum is a favorite of programmers because of its potential applications, such as smart contracts that run automatically when conditions are satisfied and non-fungible tokens. Ethereum is both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, NFTs. Ethereum has also exploded in popularity. Its price increased by about 27,000% in just 5 years, from around $11 to over $3,000. Number 1, Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin, BTC, is the first cryptocurrency, having been created in 2009 under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. BTC, like most cryptocurrencies, is based on a blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that logs transactions across a network of thousands of computers. Bitcoin is maintained secure and safe from fraudsters because updates to the distributed ledgers must be confirmed by solving a cryptographic problem, a process known as proof of work. Bitcoin's value has soared as it has grown in popularity. 5 years ago, a Bitcoin could be purchased for around $500. A single Bitcoin was worth more than $45,000 in August 2021. That's an increase of around 8,900%. Because it is reported that only a few cryptocurrency holders own a big amount of the available supply, there are few metrics accessible that allow for predicting. These huge investors, dubbed whales, are reported to account for 2% of anonymous ownership accounts and possess around 92% of Bitcoin. Furthermore, rather than institutional investors, the majority of people who use cryptocurrency-related services are retail clients. As a result, forecasting whether Bitcoin prices will fall or rise is impossible, as one enormous whale's actions are already having a significant impact on the market. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.